Now I know that I can make you stay, but where's your heart? But where's your heart? But where's your... No, there's nothing I can say to change that part, to change that part. With words I thought I'd never speak, awake and unafraid, asleep or dead.